Duck confit is a classic French dish that requires precision to get just right. The key lies in the slow cooking process. First, generously season the duck leg with salt and spices and let it marinate for a minimum of 24 hours. After marinating, gently cook the duck legs in their own fat at a low temperature for several hours. This slow cooking technique ensures the meat is tender and succulent while keeping the skin crispy and golden. By following these steps, you can recreate restaurant-quality duck confit in your own kitchen, achieving that perfect balance of flavors and textures.